Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create jump into a mug video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut, and first thing first, you need to record a video like this, jumping video. This video is not mine, by the way. This is from the internet. I'm just going to use it to create the jump into a mug video with CapCut. And after that, we're going to add the mug to this video. I recommend you to download green screen mug from the internet. You can click on overlay and then you are going to add overlay. And then I'm just going to add this mug to my video. I'm going to select, for instance, this one. Okay, green screen mug, and we're going to remove the green screen. I'm going to go to the remove background and then select chroma key. I'm going to remove the green screen with chroma key. Okay, now it's done guys. And I'm going to wait, I think it's not perfect. Okay, like this. And I'm going to remove the background of my video. I'm gonna tap on it and then go to the remove background. Okay, I'm just going to select auto removal guys. Remove background and custom removal auto remove. Okay, and I'm going to add background for my video. I'm gonna go to the background menu and I'm going to choose the image background. Then I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, then you can place the mark and also yourself to any part that you want, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied. And I'm just going to make it smaller like this. Right. Okay, and let's see how it looks. I'm just going to play my video. Oops, I think I need to move it right here. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create jump into a mug video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.